Here we are saying now, we give thanks for my brethren, concrete, asphalt, for sitting with we, are for us. You know, say, we did actually in a watch here, but we did one big ship out there, so the big ship has sailed on the ocean and dock there, and we did a plan to come off of the ship until you hear them say the ship at like 4 o'clock. You know, say at 20 people the ship left. I'm sorry for them doing that. At 20 people the ship left, because they never stop again. I mean, if a mobile did left, them could have drive, come back and watch, maybe come catch it. But I saw it go. So me never take that chance at all. So asphalt, yeah man, enough respect, asphalt. Them say you go on good. Them say you really go on good, and we love when you go on good, because we know say, until you go on good, you know say me can't left. We can't left. I don't feel no way. So we continue the journey. This is the stepping razor, the art of war. Yeah, be careful who you crucify, you know. Yes. You don't want when you point your finger, it come back on you. Be careful. Yeah, this is the stepping razor. Right, just so you know what you're, you know. May I tell you, yes, a rain a leak down up switch for me there. But I don't know. I don't know how we are going to go on here, so with this rain thing, you know. Trust me. But they must say a hurricane out there, man. Them say a hurricane out there, you know. Believe you me, hey, from January, the rain fall on my yard, you know. From January, the rain fall, and the rain stop fall yet. But me really don't want to go back on these things, you know, but me really have to go back on it. But when me there the last time, me talk about this hole, on Charlotte Road there, so. The Thursday, me talk about the hole, you know. I want to tell you, you know. I mean, I'm going to say I chew me a talk about it, you know. But you see, Saturday, I see them at work on the hole. Saturday. Thursday, I talk about it. I see the hole at work on Saturday. Well, it look like them not done work on the hole yet. I want deep hole that. I tell you, I see some man got dug in there. Seriously. Some man got dug in the hole. So, you know, if the pipe will bust underneath it, cause the work agency, them. But me don't understand them something still. Anyway, me see them at work on it. Me give thanks. Say me talk about the Thursday, and me see Saturday them gone down in there. So we hope say me pass again the whole fix. But me I tell the government this, you know, like all the government we have here, you know. That's why me call my bridge, you know, St. Andrew of Holiness, you know. Yes, him have enough hole to contend with. You can't blame the hole them from Porsche again, you know. Yes, you can't go say a Porsche hole. You have to know, say, really, St. Andrew of Holiness, enough hole about the place, and believe you me, one catch me yesterday. One catch me yesterday and punch a tire when I carry me a drive, but me can't understand it. And me keep coming back on it. It sounds like a scratch-up record, you know. Why is it that so much hole up on the road because rain a fall? It's unbelievable. Me can't talk about it too much. Because every week me see a different hole. It's like a whole government I work with, you know. Direct whole government. And the rain now stop fall. And them cut some square in the hole them. And dig out the hole them. The last time I there, a bridge tell me say, a election work them I try to get out. Now we see them a complain and a ball, have debate about how much $1 million we give out for the bushing. One people have said, boy, the bushing, them could have used it and fix the people, them things that sent them. And then I want to say, yeah, but it also help to alleviate the mosquito and all them something there. But everything government do always turn out. Even if them are trying to do something good, it turn out bad. Because here one now. Them have some man that chop the bush them at the side of the road. And the man them pack up the bush on the side of the road. And me not see nobody come pick up the bush. So when car drive now, it have less road for drive on. I better tell me make the bush stay. Because at least you maneuver the bush on the hillside. But now the bush up on the side of the road. Why is it that as them chop the bush, them don't have somebody to come pick up the bush off of the road? Why is it that car have to drive over the bush and carry it all over the road again? For them send more people again to go clean up the road. How these people do think so? Or is me a think too hard? Me don't know, maybe the food when me I eat make me a think so hard. Me need for them some burger. Me need for them some Kentucky. Where you don't have to think about where you eat. You understand? Or some Chinese rice. I don't even know if the plastic rice don't reach her yet. But I hear it all over the place now, you know. Well, not Jamaica. I don't hear it all over the place at Jamaica. I mean, outside, worldwide. I hear it it's a thing now where it's being detected. And you can't know if it's plastic. Them have ways, you can't know if the thing is plastic, you know. Yeah. Just throw matches in the rice and see which one of them melt up. Believe you me. Me see a woman take a cabbage, you know. And that me know say we gone weird now. She have the cabbage and she peel off her skin of the cabbage, you know. And turn on her gas stove and hold the cabbage over the gas stove, you know. And nothing happened to the cabbage, you know. Nothing happened to the cabbage. Me I say something wrong because it's supposed to just squeal. Then you mean say that even the cabbage we can't trust Rasta? We call up on the government to really secure the people of Jamaica by knowing what we're importing into the island and have the consumer people them for really check up on all these rice. The rice, especially the rice. Because Jamaican people love rice. Them yam rice. I mean, if them have meat and rice, them have more rice than meat. Some people eat gravy with rice. Cheese with rice. Butter with rice. Ice cream with rice. No, them not eat ice cream with rice. What you doing, Bridget?
Romaine.
What? Romaine. You ever eat rice and ketchup yet?
Yeah.
See it there? If you ketchup the rice. No, we have a problem with this rice thing, you know. I mean, send no bad vibes out there, you know. But you see this plastic rice, we have go around the place. I mean, I say it again, you know. I do have no evidence of it in Jamaica. But there are evidence of it going around the place. It's something them do know. They mix with the real rice, the plastic rice. It's a serious thing, you know. And may I say, the government must ensure the protection of the people them when it come on to what we are importing into the country. And now we cannot take it for granted what we're importing, because we're importing food we're not supposed to import. May I tell you? The other day, may I check the onion them and may I say, all right, first time when you cut off the top of the onion, you know, see no brown part that got right down in the big like the onion. No, you cut off the top of the onion, you see another brown part, you have to cut out the part, the brown part, cut out the part, till you have no more onion to put in your pot. By the time you don't cut off the old them, it's where going in Jamaica. Between the gunman and the old them in the road, may I tell you, it's a terrible thing. If the gunman will catch you, the food you carry in the kitchen will catch you. So most people don't want to cook now. Certain ladies now work from 9 to 5 now, them can't afford to go and go cook. Tell them man to bring. Honey, when you come in, bring some Kentucky for me. And some chips. You know, chip them up. Chip. Chip out them life. In this oversized box. With this brother upon it, this white guy upon it, named the Colonel. With him pulp, black eye. You know, everywhere you turn him and look by you. It's like, they make it deliberate. They make it deliberate, you know. Anywhere you turn and look on the box, you know. It's the Colonel eye just watch you. But when I say, how is it that we have government in Jamaica where them can't protect you from gunman, them can't protect you from the old them in the road where mash up people car and cost people enough money. And them can't protect you from them because them is corrupt. And some dangerous people. And I tell you now again, you know, PNP out of power now. The other day we could have said, why, Portia hold it big, you know, but you see, feed them all bigger. The road, the old them on the road bigger than the old them where Portia used to have on the road. It's a terrible thing. And it catch me. The old catch me. punch a car when I drive. It catch me because I try to serve for not take climb the bank in both punch at the car. I don't understand where I go on in Jamaica. Why everything just goes wrong so? And they talk about IMF. So all the IMF thing now show me say the road are fixed. If we are past IMF tests, what is the money going to? The money is going to the private sector. It's not trickling down to the normal people like Romania. So, Romain, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Yeah, man. You there last night with me? Yeah. And you come back here, so. Them fire, what's name? Neil. Them fire Neil. No, Neil don't taxi man now. That's the seat that all the engineer, they have to drive up. IRFM. Anyway, when I say that the problems is so much against the people them, the things stuck against the people them so much now, that it is very difficult for you escape because you carry mad food in your house, things where you're not supposed to eat in your house. You come out of the road, you don't know when the gunman are going to strike and mistake you and shoot somebody for you or shoot you. You drive your car up on the road. You don't know when you're going to drop in a hole. I see some new hole on the road. The last time I there, you know. I left for 1 week now. I left for, you know, and I come back and see new hole in the road up there, so, you know. You see them? Some new hole. One down there, so before you reach which part, the bus terminal down there, so. Me, I tell you, me, I look down there to see if the trailer down there. Me don't understand them thing there, boy. Me don't understand them thing there. Anyway, stepping razor. I tell you, some educations are going to the country. We have you follow them politicians. You say education. Tell you, man. Look how much people did last year, Rasta. And you think things will get better. So you say education. Like election right here, we need to get some more education. Why? Jamaica because of the lack of education. You come in with the next election. I don't know why. Trying to catch the people with more lies. Chicken back. The whole country mess up. You don't have no eye. You're telling pure lie. Children gone to school, them really are trying. The books and uniform price them so high. Now them dep on street, a wet and a dry. Them really a try. Too much how we youth them just a die. What a senseless thing, man. Parents can't feed them, the picnic a cry. Got to airport, Heathrow Airport. Now them a swallow drugs and a fly. And you know why. Everybody afraid of police, that no lie. A serious one that no. People not trust the police, them know why. Britain. Cause every time you dead, you hear pure lie. And you know why. The people need opportunity, that no lie. More jobs, man. Too much corruption around we drive. Tap the phone. Tap it. And if them come with promise, tell them bye-bye. Cause mothers are cry, children are die. I want to know why. Everyone life affected, that no lie. Life too. If you want things done, you have to get a blind. FinSac officer. Now the suicide rate gone sky high. Domestic violence. I want to know why. I know them will use this for tell you lie. Right in them election time, them will use it. Cause them love mix up artists, but tell them not try. Chichi man. And if them use this song, you will know why. Chichi man. Cause the whole of them lie. If no copy at this no sell, I will know why. I know some of smoker. Cause when you talk them weird, them think you're high. I may not take coke, you know. But I do care a damn. Me nah look no blind. Me have my own things. Come still say them lie. Me still say them lie. Me still say them lie. Well, Lord, man. Me still say them lie. Me still say them lie. Me still say them lie. One cart, but him have an argument. Him say I just him cologne man as smell. But here one now. When me left here, we talk to IRV about the incident where them take where be how much pound of ganja go and Naya being here in a Montego be here. We want to know if them lock up the policeman who thief the herbs. Because thief it because you're not supposed to carry no. We don't want them lock up the dread, but you're not supposed to carry a man go to jail with how much pound of herbs. And then you leg of the man and have the herbs. And then when the rest of them go down there to find out about the thing, nobody can tell you who lock up him. Nobody can tell you which part of the ganja there. More than likely, you know, the same policeman them go sell some Rasta man the ganja. So we don't understand how that go. That's why I tell you the thing corrupt till it can't corrupt no more. Our police are take a man ganja and no lock up nobody. And then now you go to police station. The Rasta man them go to the police station. Nobody don't know who do the arrest of the ganja. Because they arrest the Rasta. And nobody can tell which part of the ganja there. What a terrible thing. So you see why people have to rebel. You have to rebel, man. Because the system not set up. I mean, where the IMF there? Where the IMF there in all of this? This IMF passing test, IMF this passing test. Me no feel more secure since them go back to IMF. Ask anybody on the road if since the government, the past government, the party go and now, if we feel better, our standard of living gone up, we feel more secure in ourselves, you know. We don't get traumatized when we read the newspaper or watch the television when we come 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock news. We want to know which somebody in Jamaica feel better since we go to IMF. What the hell the IMF is doing, are supposed to do. What is supposed to happen when we pass how much test? How much test you pass, young? Whole heap of test you pass. And them can't get no PhD yet. Them can't get no master's degree. Shamara, how much test the government passed since them gone to IMF? Whole heap. Then how come, me know the Shamara life no gone no better, you know. Our fridge still a lock off the meat them in there, the touch meat, them a chef eat past Sunday. I mean, the light bill, you tell them I increase light again. Them cut off your light. You tell them I increase the GPS, I increase light bill again, you know. GPS, I increase light bill again. So which part of the IMF money there? I'm not talk to 10%, you know. I'm not talk to 10% because 10% must know which part some of the money gone. Because him don't know how the 10% work out for politicians and all of these guys. And maybe me not the wrong business. Maybe I should go open a church. Yeah, maybe I should go open a church, Rasta, because right now, past now make enough money. They might get 10%. Same call it tithes. They're wicked, you see. They're wicked, you know. Politicians and preachers wreck the people in life. The IMF supposed to look, you're supposed to evil, it's supposed to appear that it'll get better. What in Jamaica visible as a normal Jamaican, and anybody who will listen to me out there now, anybody who there on this corner road where I sell whatsoever I sell, what is it that happened to you that is much better in your life, socially, economically, that you can say, boy, I give thanks to the government, go to the IMF, you know. What is it? What? Me not see nothing. Me not see it. Me not see nothing. When me can really praise the IMF and say, boy, right now, Boy, since we go to the IMF, the road them look nice, you know. Because we get the nice road at the highway before we go to IMF, and China man give it that. Maybe we should just import some Chinese and just make them go and fix road. And just give them the road them for control and make them pay a toll for all of the road them. Because more right now, better you pay a toll for a road now than go fix your car when it drop in our hole. It's a terrible thing, man. We get caught. We get caught. May I ask a question, you know? What is it that happening to Jamaican people now that they can truly say them life is much better off now since the government got to the IMF? What is it? This is the Stepping Razor. It's 1 minute past 3 o'clock. Alright, sir. You know, say, I think upon it, you know. I really want to go to heaven, you know. I really love go to heaven. But I tell the truth. You see, if I go to heaven and say some of them politicians up there, I go ask God to send me go around a Lucifer place. Trust me. Believe you me, because I'm used to tropical climate already. So, it means I hell, I feel no way. Okay, here we go. Music. This is the Stepping Razor standing by for interview. Oh, you look Cuban. All right? Okay. Okay. Let me see where I go on. All right. So, we want to do an interview here. You know, over the couple of weeks, we see and we hear of this new thing we are going in a Kingston, yeah, where it seems as if that the Western cowboy thing start up again. We hear people from over one side and over the other side. We are talking about Denham Town and Tivoli Garden. It has become a national crisis. National crisis. We are even hear the police them and say that man a give $1 million for shoot police. May I tell you? And some rich gunman, them they don't know, they man Marley say gunman they have no money. But you have man where I say, well, according to the police report, that man a give out $1 million for shoot police. We don't know. Anyway, we want to talk to someone here, so as it relates to this incident here. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Hello?
Yeah, good afternoon.
Blessed.
All right. Wonder why my voice tonight. Hold on there, brethren. Hold on there. All right. We really want to find out exactly from your perspective. Is we really are going down there? We are going down at the West there.
Well, I'm going to find out that this been happening from 2010, basically. So it's not necessarily nothing new, but it just it escalated because of the shooting of the dancer, you know? So that was first thing. Where, anyone that really go, you realize that you can violate the dance. That have serious repercussions, they get after it. So if you watch young movies and things like that, you find out that I violate the dance and family then. But I will always say revenge and things like that. This got to happen now a couple of weeks ago on the Friday when the dancer get shot. Don't know that them man from Tivoli again, you know. By all means necessary, certain man have to pay back. So,
no have to dead because they violate the dance son.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
They violate the dance son, they violate the system too.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is kind of what I want. So that first flavor of that, based on that, but as I said before, it's been happening since 2010 after the incursion.
Yeah. All right. So let me ask you a question now. The ones them who take revenge for the violation of Dodo's son, them don't know it's who do the shooting.
Not necessarily, but...
So them just decide, say, since them don't know, all the innocents have to feel it too.
Well, I don't say them have to say the innocents have to feel it, but they say a war, a lot of casualties of war. That's a war go.
Yeah, but after war, sometimes you mean say no, you have to go really do some investigation to find out who actually shoot to the sun? I mean, how much people you can shoot and say a casualty, so?
You're the thing,
Yeah.
As I said earlier, the war is between Denhamton and Tivergard, right? So, if the sun come from Tivergard, it more than likely means that the man from Denhamton shoot him, and when the shooting takes place, the shots allegedly were fired from the Denhamton area.
So, how you know it's not a police shooting?
I don't mean them.
No, when I say, oh, you know it's not a police shoot to the sun.
Well, I don't know.
I mean, yeah, me know say don't know, but no, when me say I go on now is that we don't know who shoot to the sun, but man and man decides, say, boy, since the shot come from over that side there, they're going to shoot up everybody over that side there.
And I think the man can say that more than likely, it's a member from that side of the thing. Because I don't think they just get up at night and shoot everybody, but I think in a situation where they come to the decision and conclusion, based on where you were standing or where the shots were fired from, nobody else from anywhere else could have done it for the exception of those that live there. So, and the members of that party that they would be a part of the dance will be young. So.
All right. Well, I explain something to the people. The reason why the person who we are talking to voice this started is to really protect the identity of the person. But that's why you know that. It's not some really talk. We just say, in order to really protect the identity of the person, we really have to do it that way there. All right? So those who are listening. All right, Bridget.
Yeah.
All right. How much people dead since this thing have flare up back?
Well, based on what I read in the paper, I think the police said it's about 8 persons died since.
8 people dead?
Yeah.
And you still don't know if one of them people there is them shoot the Dan son?
No, but I think there are some allegations that are turning around that the person who did the shooting, the police held him a few days ago after some other shooting. So
oh, the police catch him?
Again?
The police catch the person who did the shooting?
Well, that person, some people is alleging that is the person who did it.
But that still not stop the man them now from shoot more people?
Yeah, because as I say, I think their perspective is that people have to dead first.
Yeah, but 8 people gone now.
You know, from the 8 to the 8, none of them like that top rank in the gang, the opposing gang. So.
All right, so the opposing gang, how much people the opposing gang shoot from over?
I'm not going to put it on this day. I think the police would better.
But you better know that how much people from over Denham town. So now,
I'm not sure.
So we don't know what is an acceptable death for shooting the Dan son. We don't know what is that because 8 dead already. So we may talk about like 10 more.
Yeah, probably more too.
Yeah, and then now the other man, them now going to take it lightly. So you have some people over the other side now, where don't have nothing to do with the shooting, but just feel say, boy, revenge is revenge, and them just continue the journey, and just shut up the whole place. Yeah. So how the eyes see that? How the eyes see that? How the eyes see them thing there? How the man see them something there?
Well, personally, I think that my words are big joking, because I don't know what the war for.
Yeah, but you don't say what. But you just said where the war for. The war for because them shoot do the sun.
No, but prior to that, there was a war prior to that.
Okay. So the do the sun shooting now is a little ice upon the cake. We say enough is enough.
Precisely.
All right. So how is it now? It's who decides say when the police them have said. Who decides say, boy, all right, now they're going to shoot policeman for $1 million? Who decide that?
Well, I kind of find that story
outrageous. So
if I'm wondering which gunman down here have
$1 million. At that me I say which gunman I go have $1 million, and if me shoot a man for a gunman, me now go to the gunman go ask for $1 million. I go for the gunman go ask for $1 million. Believe you me. So it's a joke business that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, all right. So what may I say now, brethren? For the peace and security of people who don't involve in the thing, where you think can really come to a situation where we say, well, right now, ease up them things. Because me used to come down at Darling Street, come play music, and at 3 years me down there play music, and me have to stop. So the fun and all them thing there, it kind of not dead there now, because, you know, nobody now come down. You have some of the club town people who used to come down and through them years and me a play, and everybody mingle and mix up. And now it now happen. So me ask now, where you think can happen now for really quench that fire where I go on this or now?
I think what the police need to do is try to find the head of both gangs then.
Okay.
Bring them in and try to find some amicable solution, because personally as a kid, I'm not sure what the war is going on from 2010 and 2000. And if I ask like a million of people from West Kingston,
them don't know neither.
Them don't know neither. They're not aware of what the war is on for. So.
Yeah.
Well, I think the police just need to get the head of the gang.
Yeah.
And need somewhere.
So where the name of...
I'm positive sure that the gang from Denham and the Bargan, I remember that related to each other in some way or other. The two of them related. Them used to eat food together and have the same girlfriend and all them way there. Yes, man. Smoke chalice together. One of them was friend, man. That ego be a thing, man.
Yeah. Then the youth them not say, I mean, a man can't sit. Supposed to be some intelligent youth, or them not to say that happen. It's like the system had turned them against one another internally and make them eat one another just like someone and one not to say that go on.
Yeah, man, I'm dying, man.
Because mothers have got dead now and picnic have got dead and house burned down and, you know, I mean, I don't know, it just go on and stop. And come like I say the police them don't want it stop neither, you know.
Yeah, because honestly, people in the community that the police them take side, and that's what they come with a bias.
The police them take side?
So some people say.
The way you say?
Personally, police are human beings, and humans that are followed that. So, they have biases.
Yeah.
It's kind of natural.
It's natural to have the bias?
Yeah, kind of natural.
Yeah. So if the police them they for really quell the thing and them and take up for one over that side there, and that means the thing I will just continue brethren, it will just go on so man.
Yeah, I said earlier, it was 2010.
Yeah, I mean
2017.
Let me ask you a question. The rumor when it spread about Dodos in a prison dead, commit suicide, that have any repercussions in the area? I don't know if you did hear it. You did hear them and say, Dodos.
Yeah, I heard it sometime after.
That have any repercussions down there if you say, you know, like him father, or them attack foolishness about him father, and you know, say them kill him father in the cell. That did have any repercussions down in the West there?
I'm not sure. Most people never really put it as much.
Much level, yeah. They never put it on the level. Yeah. Well, I mean, I tell you the truth, brethren. I mean, well, I don't know. You know, we need as a minister of justice and security. We need some security where man find a reason not to do things that is terrible. Not find a reason to do terrible things. Find it not to do it. And right now, I don't understand how it's like a cycle, a 366 cycle. Every minute you keep something happen. And it's poor people. It's poor people. I kill poor people. You go in a Clarendon, you see it happen. In a Spanish town, you see it happen. Down in the West, you see it happen. Tivoli, Denham town, Anna town, Strange town. You see the thing happen and it's a recycle itself. And the youth them now recognize, say, oh, you're a man, I go sit down and I go dance every weekend. And I look girl every weekend and all them something there. And then one little thing just trigger something now. And then everybody become enemy. Till you draw a gun and kill people. But when you kill a man, you know, it's like him now come back, you know, which you know that, you know. I mean, but I mean It mind-boggling, Rasta. It mind-boggling. It really mind-boggling. You know, me not have no solution for it. But, you know, cause usually you can make song appeal because there's so many songs that have been made and so many appeal that have been made. And as you think everything nice, so boom, some little something where you trigger something now. Look at another place like Coronation Market now, where people supposed to go buy food. All of a sudden, people afraid for going there now. Look at now Spanish Town, where people supposed to go take bus. Man, come on YouTube and tell people, say, it's going to be a bloody Christmas. So everybody start to get scared now. The police can't protect the people, them. No way at all. No way. Me don't understand them thing there. So me don't know. Anyway, brethren, we thank you for talking to us still, you know. Yeah, I hope anytime I see you, just come to me secretly and say, I'm me that talking for the radio. You understand? Because right now your voice sounds like a chipmunk. All right, brother, give thanks, yeah? Yeah, give thanks. Well, I tell you, this thing, I mean, how much more the water can boil? It's a burn the pot now, man. It's a burn the pot now. Step in, razor. Yes, we have big conversation inside that, so believe you me. Okay. The court's unwrapped outside broadcast scheduled for tomorrow at Mandela Park has been postponed due to the inclement weather. Stay tuned to IRFM to hear the new date when the court's unwrapped roadshow and the IRFM crew will be in halfway tree with tons of games, performances, and excitement. That is a court's advertisement. So, we really are try, talk to some of the residents in the area where this flare-up is taking place, where we hear some man give $1 million to kill police. I mean, really, really. So, okay. Afternoon.
Yeah.
How are you, man?
Yeah,
why you have a whole heap of knives behind the bridge? No, you have enough knives that go on behind you there. You have enough knives that go on behind you, man. You can't go go on a quiet place. Go to a quiet place, man. Where you know?
Yeah.
All right. We want to find out from your perspective, where really are going down at Tivoli Denham Town here? Where really are going down there? Wait there, hold on there. You in a community center? You in the market? A bad place we call it, man. You market if you don't know. You want to come out of the market and they will call you back? Yeah, but the market now is kind of more enough than your wife. Where you know? This not going to work out, you know. Believe me. Yeah. Yeah, me I hear you, and that's the problem. Me I hear too much of you down there. Too much noise behind you, man. Trust me, too much noise behind you. We are going to, you know. Brethren, I want to talk to you, but me I hear too much talking and noise behind you. You can't do interview in a Coronation Market, you know. Yeah, all right. Yeah, the man say him in the market. So, we don't know how that's going to work out. So no. We have to get him back, you know. We have to get him back. Because he have to come out. So. He have to come out. We have to get him back. Yes. This is the stepping razor. I want to see if we can get back this car, yeah. For really, just talk to some ordinary people about for them take when we really are going on there. Yell, brethren, yell. All right, I can't hear you good, you know. So, all right, may I ask you a question now? Give me your take up where you think are going with this whole heap of shooting and killing and everything there.
I think
Eh?
The president needs to come back in the community.
The president needs to come back in the community.
Yeah.
But him they are prisoner foreign.
I don't want to be.
No. The only way to go stop?
Yeah, I want to be able to see the peace. So, I really don't want to be able to stop. I and the war, and check it out. But,
so wait now, you tell me now, say, if president come back to the area, the youth them not have enough sense to know, say, killing each other now go really get nowhere? And that you tell me?
No, most of them youth are talking. That's it. They're not finished school, they're not done.
Oh. So what that mean? So what that mean? When you're not finished school, it means you don't take up gun and shoot people. Yeah, all right. Me know what you say now. Me know about the Dudus stronghold and me know how Dudus work the thing. But when I say if Dudus not there, and you know I say the youth them no have no education and all them something they know. So there's no one or no group of people in the area we can read. Them not gonna do it.
Why don't see it? Yeah, but everything you can do until you get it so much money.
But people have said the war are going between Tivoli and Denham Town, and I don't really grab and thief and do it. I'm more like a vengeance thing. Them say a vengeance. All right. All right. No. All right. So true, don't they know the man them in the area decide them go rob one another or go, or them rob other people. Yeah.
And then part even though you know that's a celebrity. A joking thing. You see.
So wait there.
To come back in the place we are the business environment.
Alright, so let me ask you a question. Are Tivoli people kill Tivoli people and Denham Town people kill Denham Town people, or are Tivoli kill Denham Town and Denham Town kill Tivoli? How it work? Okay. But you are said true, Dudus not there, a whole heap of robbery in the area. And so Dudus control Tivoli garden. Yeah, so the people them in a Dudus area now. You are saying the youth them now I rob one another and rob people in the same area.
The same area, the community.
Okay, so them go outside of the community and rob people. And then the people them over the other side know so them do it and take them start to take them the line of them own and start fire shot. So a man tell me, alright, a man just tell me say it's because them shot Dudu's son. Why it flare up back so terrible? What you say about that?
They can't call it because I shot the son, I shot the president instead as you working in a war bomb before that.
Yeah. Yeah.
He come out of the president and shot himself.
From them shot him son. But them don't know who shot Dudu's son. Eh? Hold on. Are your wife a talk down there? I tell you, say I don't Japanese.
I'm Chinese.
You get help from them, man. You get help. They don't want to laugh because you tell them Japanese. The woman round here tell no Japanese. No. All right. No, this funny. All right. Let me ask you a question, Bridget. What you think? All right. Don't tell me about say Dudus to come back to the area. What you think can help to solve the situation we are going on now? Tell me. What you think can help to solve it?
Right now, nobody can make what the president himself. They want to be creative time of control it. Nobody else can.
But you go wait, but at 20 years him getting up, Bridget. At 20 years, Dudus getting. Yeah, 20.
Stop till the 20 years him come back.
So they might just go and kill till 20 years done.
We have to suffer for everybody. Like how him suffer for everybody, we have to suffer for everybody.
Where is it? Dudus suffer for everybody?
Yeah, everybody.
So now everybody have to go suffer because Dudus not there.
The good have to suffer for everybody.
Okay, the good have to suffer for the bad. What a terrible thing that. So innocent little children now are going to get shot because a man has said Dudus not there.
Innocent children are going to get shot.
Yeah.
People are getting raped too.
Yeah, that may I ask you because. So what do you think the police can do? The police can't do nothing about it.
Police, no man, police not even can control.
Hold on. Put that woman on the phone there. Put the woman on the phone. Put the woman on the phone there where at the top behind you there.
Hello, woman, I'm uncle.
And your uncle, put him on the phone because he look like him want to talk. He have something to say.
He must smoke chalice.
He must smoke chalice. Tell him, give me the man who has smoked the chalice. Because he have enough things to talk about around there even though he must smoke chalice. Yeah. Yeah, because he must talk enough around there.
Come on in, I'm about to
No, may I say, if the police them can't stop it, and if Dudus no come back, you are telling me say no peace now go there to Valley and then I'm town.
No peace. It's like a movie at all.
Okay.
They call Westington the mother of all Garrison.
Yeah, so a politician say that.
All children get wife. Spanish Stone, Mobile, Clarendon. Everywhere does get wife. So
you say no, is that despair. People are going to live in a despair until Dudus come out. If him come out, they're going to live in a despair.
Yeah,
I mean, if I go a passa, man. I go a passa when Dudus there, of course.
Passa, go no, range, target,
Yeah.
Yeah, take the same street up now. The old man that can do it, man. I want him to get to him to come back here.
Me must get to him?
Yeah, I want to get to Andrew to get to him to come back here.
Well, how am I going to do that? American hold him, brethren. I know Jamaica, in the hands of Jamaica again,
But I'm a program different from this. America, wicked country.
And you feel that me have the power to get back to this down, yeah?
What? That's what Almighty. One thing back, man. One way to do it again that you can't come to me. Right now, you should have west on the program. 16.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You can't show like a jamboree.
Yeah.
Some people in the world never see shot in person and then man, they free you come see him.
Yeah. We used to come down there, down at Dread City there too. Yeah, he used to come in and come sit down. He used to come in, come sit down too, and listen to Cutting Edge. He's a man who listens to Cutting Edge regular too.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yes, gone, man.
So you are say no policeman, no other man can get the thing. No, tell me about it.
Yes, man. I told man them of you know. And the girl made giddy, you know, and others there, they made checkers, because we are school, we are house, or everybody has a shop, right? Nobody has nothing. And the man who is a gun.
So the police them have enough woman, or the policeman them get woman down there?
All the policeman them getting hot?
Woman, or them get the woman them down at Tivoli?
Easy thing, man, that's the size and phone. And the type and then phone and then buy to come away say, yeah, come and see them on a shop case.
Eh?
I tell them, we probably shut up my police number until they finish.
Okay.
And they know it's Kingston anyway. Twist and turn on them and fix and everything come together.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the only man can make back.
Yeah, you keep saying that, why? Anyway.
That takes 7 days, right?
Yeah.
1 day they can do it. Just get him a motor, man.
Why you make me sound like me a powers? Anyway, brethren, watch out. Me give thanks for you talk to us still. Me give thanks for you talk to me and me hear you have an audience round at the back there. Me hear you have an audience round at the back there, but me give thanks to you. No, then them not listen to you on the radio, man. Them not have a radio there. Them have a radio there and listen, man. Yeah, man, them not hear them and listen on the radio, man. Yeah.
I gotta tell you before, because that brother, Christopher, brother school, bring back fast. West Nice, Town happy. World Jamaica happy. Oh, God, man. Tourist. When the money again, you know the tourist industry.
Yeah, wait, hold on there. Oh, the brother around at the back, they don't want to talk to me, and then I'll tell you what he say. Oh, I'll tell you what he say. They know.
Yes, I saw you live.
Yeah, we know. As him draw the chalice, something coming out of mine.
Drink a chalice, smoke something.
Yeah.
Everything mash up. You have to go work and go in back.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not why not say that? We a great man like that.
All right, sir. All right, give thanks, brethren. Give thanks for talk to me, yeah?
Alright, my boss.
Anytime you see me on the road, just call me and say, I'm me that talk to you. You understand?
Yeah, you take care of you. Alright, my boss. Yeah.
All right, listen. Heal up the chalice man road at the back there. Heal up the chalice man road at the back there.
Yeah, heal up the chalice man, alright.
Tell him, hey, anytime I come down at Tivoli again, in the market, don't shout me. All right. Listen, why may I tell you, brethren, I want them Jamaican people to listen to where I go on this song. I want them Jamaican people to listen to where I go on. You hear the people them say, and him attack for a whole heap of people, you know. Him say, his uncle Dudus alone can stop where I go on down there, so. No police, no bad man can stop where I go on. So, you know, where going to happen to down there now? I just kill for kill. You talk about a killing zone here right now. I don't know. I do have no suggestion. You hear the man talk, and you can't hear the noise behind him. Him not hide at Tivoli people, them attack, them and say, the hungry person can't stop that. I do those. No police can, because the police, them have enough girl down there. But the police, them have enough girl down there, them now go with a gunshot of fire. You understand? So, wow, may I tell you, this is the stepping razor, the art of war. I wonder if any politician listen to the man they attacked a while ago. It's not him one attack, you know. I wonder if the politician them hear with them. I wonder if the police hierarchy hear with the man they just said a while ago on the phone. I know how easy talk them talk there, you know. It's really an indictment against the system. It's an indictment against the governments, whether PNP or GLP. It's an indictment against the system. Yeah? Okay. We're not the right.
Them just say remember them. Them just say remember. Them just say remember them. You see them just say remember. Mama you remember them.
Yeah, so it's like a chain reaction I go on here, so now we attack so some people. We have 2 interviews where we attack some people from Western Kingston. Now we get call from Westmoreland. Hello.
Yes, Moota, may I take? Yeah, tell you about.
All right, which part you there? Westmoreland you come from?
Down in the Westmoreland you come from.
All right, where go on this or no? Why you want that?
Then, I see him killing a gun down here in a man.
In a
I
West-
told it last night between Negril and Sabla.
Wait, hold on. 4 people dead last night.
Yeah.
What the circumstances? How them dead?
Well, when I hear the news this morning, a taxi man, a Sabla, the just a passenger, and when you find out that gunman is going back in, and we have one place in Wharf Road, where another guy did, that's 2 dead in a Sab, and 2 dead at Western Nivell. One, a guy just walk on the road and he get shot, a man shot him.
All right, so what you think I cause it? In a West, you know, like, remember, West Kingston, the way over the other side of Jamaica,
Yeah.
and Westmoreland, the way over there. So what you think I cause we are going in a Westmoreland, you know?
I couldn't violence against one another.
No, man, ask you. Tell me where you think I cause it.
Well, you know, the thing same man, they want to use up them gun now.
Them just want to use up them gun.
Yeah.
And them just decide to shoot people.
They just decide to shoot people Rasta.
So you feel say people just not shoot anybody them get shot something related
Well,
to
it
something.
look, don't you know what it looks so, man not check.
Man not check?
Right.
You really believe say a man not check him just shoot anybody?
Yeah, oh, then two dead over retreat, and one get shot there at hospital. And I just those 3 days going to 4 dead last night.
Right, so
I'm more 16 since September, since November the 6th, 13 gone.
13 people dead in November.
Yeah, and November not done yet.
From just a Westmoreland alone.
Just in a Westmoreland alone.
All right, the police had say how the scamming thing reached long there. What you think?
Man, scamming their mobile, scamming their...
Yeah, but when I said no, but people are kill people are mobile too. But you see, when we just talked about a while ago, that now have nothing to do with scamming.
Right.
All right, so we have a criminal activity we are going in our West Kingston, so we have nothing to do with scamming. We have a criminal activity we are going in a Spanish town, we don't have nothing to do with scamming still because they might talk about the extortion. So that is, but it's not the same scamming like where Jamaican police, I tell you, say, the upsurge of criminality is scamming, especially in the West. So you think say a scamming a cause it in the Western, in our Westmoreland?
Yeah, no scam America. Me can't tell you say a scamming a did. But me know man a do them thing, yes, same way. But me can't say a that.
Yeah.
Because man had them gun now down here. And police have passed them man and know say them a gun man.
So you think that the police are doing enough down there?
Me check so saka. You don't think so. Down in the West, I don't think them do see them a drive past and when they see boy them they see past. Like they don't look at them innocent. So,
So which part? All right, so you live down at Westmoreland now, right?
yeah, man.
You come out at night time? You come out at night time?
When you come out, go. You want dead.
No, sorry for laugh. Sorry for laugh. But wait till you don't come out at night time at all.
Yes, sir. I just did and go on my bed. And now come out.
We are going. Is we are going in Jamaica, yeah?
But this one like Iraq in Rasta.
Eh?
This is one like Iraq, all right.
Iraq.
I did last night, and I'm going to call you back on your program again.
Tomorrow and next week.
And Thursday, and I'm going to tell you how much better again.
Yeah.
Since I call it
Yeah.
in idea. Good.
Dead Yard. We have a book named Dead Yard, you know. It come like Jamaica become a dead yard. Really. It come like Jamaica is a dead yard right now. You understand? Because I mean, when you look on the thing, man, it weird. You're a man just say it now go stop in our ways. You're the man, you're the man, them come on upon them YouTube, you know, and tell you say, Christmas is not a nice Christmas, you have a guy. Clarendon, Westmoreland, Montego Bay, yes.
Let me tell you, say, even dailies, you see them ball, or say, them full up, can't hold no more dailies, that's have them a swimming pool.
What, you mean the dead ground?
Yeah. It's free giant man a dailies, swimming pool.
We have to start criminate the body them now.
Well, that, you know?
Yeah, we have to start criminate the body them now because...
I burn them.
Wow. Meanwhile, they're going to run an election, yeah. So you have any family with pass, right? Now we there? You have any family?
We have good friend, man. We have good friend. We have friend with pass, right?
And them are scammer?
And I tell you, sir, more time I do and I see some guy pass me and look, me never be the next one. And me a peaceful man, me and a wild man.
I just say, I them pass your yard and you start to fret.
Believe I.
I tell you.
And when I look, you know, Rasta, if you have blood in your yard, you are going, you know.
Yeah.
And timid.
That's true, man.
Yeah, man, believe I, man. I'm jealous, you know, blood.
Wow. Virgin, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say.
Bless up.
All right, blessed man. Give talk. Call me back next week and tell me where we're going, yeah?
Okay, all right.
Yes. Why, people? You know, here we are going in Jamaica, Rasta. You know, here we are going in Jamaica, and politicians around there tell you about them a pass IMF test. What the hell IMF test have to do with where we are going right now? Where is the most insecure people them living in Jamaica right now? What is it that IMF is doing to alleviate the fears of Jamaican people about what we just hear from the citizens of Jamaica? Can somebody please call me and tell me? I keep saying it, you know. I keep saying it. Since the IMF, since Peter Phillips as Minister of Finance, go back to the IMF, and now we have the next government now where I say everything is on track. Since that time until now, as these things alleviate our fear on the road, whether by gunman, whether by car accident, whether by pothole, whether by the influx of bad food we are coming to Jamaica, what is it that we're hanging on to? Why is it that the politicians that sell way hope like the past in them? The preacher, them the politician that promise you good living when you're alive, and the preacher promise you good living when you're dead. What is it that the people them have to hold on for? I mean, I talk about those who can afford to do whatsoever it is to get out of this place. What is it that the normal Jamaican citizen must do when you don't have no security, you don't have no justice, all you have is pure law, and you don't have no justice, you don't have no security, you don't have no good road, and now we hear the JPS are going to raise light bill again. Look how much rain have fall in a Jamaica since the year start, and I bet you any money, January, February, March, I bet you between March, April, you're going to hear say, drought upon the land. In the abundance of water, the fool get thirsty. There is enough water that fall this year that can suffer us for years to come. What are they doing? What is the IMF money doing? Is the IMF money alleviating the drought problem that we are going to have again? because these guys have not been able to do anything. Places like St. Elizabeth, where them say is the food basket of Jamaica. We're going to wait till April now and we're going to say, oh, the farmer them a ball about them tomato, this and them tomato and this and it a burn up and this and that. Rain come and burn up food. Sun come and burn up food. It's a serious thing. It's a serious thing. And we're not selling no doom and gloom. We're not selling no doom and gloom. And I say, boy, I'm out of gloomy and doom, boy. Everything I'm talking to sound gloomy. The reality is that not because you don't it now exists, it don't exist. And the majority of Jamaican people find themselves in a situation right now where they need some guidance and some direction, and the government is supposed to offer that, but the government is part of the problem. What happening in the western part of Jamaica now stem from a long time thing where political parties start and them can't finish it, and them are try to deal with it now, but it gone the ass gone through the gate long time. What happening in Spanish Town is politics, because the two gang them align themselves to a political party, and now the political party can't control them. That the youth them sit down in front of a camera and I tell Jamaica, say, look here, on a better know, say, this Christmas not going to be a lovely Christmas in Spanish Town. Some youth who can't get no work, I have a computer, decide, say, boy, them going to do some scamming, forget money. Till now, it gets so big now that FBI have to come sit down here to alleviate the problem. Meanwhile, the jobs that is supposed to be offered to young people to alleviate the agony and the sufferation that these people is going through is not coming to them. All we hear about is the private sector, one bank, make billions of dollars. If you're going to change check, you have to pay for change the check. If you're going to draw out money, you have to pay for draw out your money. And them lend you, poor people can't go in a bank to go get money, so. You can't tell them say, why you want to start a little business. Why you want to start a little fruit business on the road, you know. May I make a cat, you think you can't go to the bank and tell them that? No, you have to have money to get money. So private sector feel good because the money business that transact between them and the IMF, it a good for them way. Because them now can make millions of dollars more profit. Millions of dollars more profit. And I don't have no company where I lose no money. No big company. We say big hotels coming here. You have hotels coming here and it's gangsters that build the hotel them a land of money. Or them are going like them don't know. Or them are going like them don't know, say. A whole heap of the hotel them we are building at Jamaica. It's man, it's gangster them are building a land of money in a Jamaica. Me not make no trouble. But them know and we know. Say, whole heap of the hotel them we are build. And a legitimate money I build them. A underworld money I build it. Or them are going like say them, I mean, really and truly, when we see we are going on the road, the carnage we are going on the road, we now blame government, you know, but what I say, really and truly, if the laws of the country was put into effect, and then you have some order, law and order, you would have less things to worry about. And the things that you worry about, you could alleviate those worries. But now we have problems that we can't solve, and we have problems that we ourselves create because we can't solve the problem them that the politicians them make we have. Me not understand them people, yeah? Me not understand them people, yeah? Me not make no trouble. Me just say, really and truly listen to them people there. the normal people them in the road, listen to them, and you will hear the heartbeat of the people them resonate in your consciousness and in your conscience. And some of them don't want to listen. They might say, boy, them people that can't talk for you, let them kill off them one another. Your police will say that. So them now go certain people, why they kill off them one another? Then if a man kill off them one another, oh, you're going to have a stable country. You could have ball out about your economy and the 4% GDP and all them things a little more. If the crime in Jamaica is not go down to an acceptable level, we're not talking about crime all done because we know that. If the crime in Jamaica don't go down to acceptable level, you could have ball about money rate and this GDP and everything there. Nothing will come of what you are doing. Me I tell you that. This is the stepping razor. This is the stepping razor. The art of war. The court's unwrapped outside broadcast scheduled for tomorrow at Mandela Park has been postponed due to the inclement weather. Stay tuned to IRFM to hear the new date when the court's unwrapped roadshow and the IRFM crew will be in Alpha Tree with tons of games, performances, and excitement. Okay. Where were they? Why? All right, we'll take some call now. We'll take some call. Believe you me, we'll take some call. But me want to play about that tune, you know. Yeah, Steve Marley and Junior read them ball out. Yes. Ill.
Blessed love mood.
Blessed.
Yeah, man. I say that the evening now. I get a good weather, you know. Give thanks for the weather.
I hear about it. I hear about it, man. I hear some of my way I watch way.
Yeah, I hear some sentiments, but I am not going to be no man. I tell you, it's so and cool for morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, mood. I say, boy, in the world, I know. It's like everybody wants power, you know. And people that do anything to hold on to power.
To get power.
I to get a hold and power.
That's what I say.
Yeah, but you see, power, no, you see, powerful people and was good leaders, were good leaders, it will make a difference.
Yeah.
Yes.
But the powerful leaders, I mean, no corrupt.
Yes.
And divisive. Yes.
Yeah, they're not good leaders, man. That's how the world on level, man.
So what do you think we can do about it as people, just watch the thing go on? What do you think?
No, unite. We have to unite, man. We have to come together, man. We have to come together, you know, man. If we don't unite, nothing can go on. Most of we separated too much. All other races that come together. If they're going to do suicide bombing, then come together for do it. What we are fighting for. Yeah, everybody are draw. It cannot work.
We had a whole lot there. You see the man them was suicide bomber. A whole heap of them and them own tribe them are killing, you know. We don't believe in how them are believe in that. Yeah, that's
yeah.
So it's not like say them come together. Because soon they are kill Shiite. And if you don't believe in a certain way of Islam, them blow you up same way. So we don't want to use them as examples coming together. Trust me.
No, we're not using them as examples. I mean to say, when you unite, you can do anything. And you get the power to do anything. You understand? So we have to unite, man. We have to unite, man. Look what's going on right now. Although right now, you know, we are food. Because the two parties we have in Jamaica. Two family, two. The one party and then they divide. Not two. They separate we. They separate we. They know that they have to go in like that.
Yeah.
So we can't unite, so we are separated when at the same time our two family two parties.
Start the party.
For them own a thing and we know to be like a fight. Yeah. For them we are fight, you know.
Yeah.
It can't work, man. So we have to unite, man.
You hear the brother from down at Tivoli talk a while ago?
Yes, man.
What you think we must say about Dudus? Because when Dudus sit down there, things are alright. What you think?
Then Muta, if you think gone to a thing like that where one in our community have to depend on an outside force, not a government person. We have to depend on that person.
No, but Dudus are no outside force. Dudus come from the community.
Yeah, I'm saying, in a government. I'm saying outside, not government. And him don't have to depend on. Then they say the country gone. Because if it's politician, they can't do nothing about it. And they have to depend on Dudus. I mean, they don't have no youth.
The government have no youth.
The government have no youth. The government don't have no youth.
Yeah, well, we have to catch and watch. And so we're going to
Yes, right. I know me. I say, me still big up Sister P no matter what going on, because as me say, Sister P is the only woman Prime Minister in Jamaica up to now. Me don't see no other young one.
Hold on. You know, so when you just talk to me, you sound like you're not take up for no madness.
No, I'm not take up for no madness. I speak truth and right.
Oh, that's a Portia you work with.
No, I don't work with Portia. Yeah. Me. Yeah. I just talk the truth and right as a woman because we fight against one another too much as woman.
Oh, so it's a
so
woman
me know what to do to get her big up. So I start here for my time.
So Monday, who you have vote for?
If me have vote, right now, me have to choose. My vote there at St. Thomas and me there Mobile. And if me have got less, maybe I have to go to St. Thomas. I have to have reasons.
Yeah, what your reason is to vote?
The reason is to vote for betterment in my community at a local level. So I will see the way with. So any one of the party member in a local government election, any one of them me see where I do.
Yeah, but when I say, make up your mind to that Friday, to that Thursday,
No, me not make up my mind because I have to go for St. Thomas right now and be a part of what one until Monday and then I make up mind, but I don't make up mind up till now.
Okay. All right, Mama, give thanks, yeah? Give thanks.
Yeah, man, that's a present most
yes. Most gunman poor. I wonder when a gunman go to bed and when him a pray when him say. Serious question them. This is the stepping ways. Yes, ill.
Step in.
Blessed man.
Step in.
Step in, where I say?
Water.
Yeah, a breeze a blow away there.
Oh, yeah, man, the breeze a blow, man. I say, you hear me that say last night, still, but I say, I wish place did that tell me about.
You know, so I don't remember what talk to me.
It's tell you from last night, man, that you see clip them. You see clip.
Which clip them?
Video.
Which clip them?
I'm not sure about the place, man.
Watch out, I don't remember what I do this morning, so you have to remind me what I do last night.
All right, then the hospital.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. If me see the clip them not tell you, say the data show me the clip already, man. You have more clip? Man. You have more clip there?
No, man, we are talking about motor. I say, which place say that not tell me about in a Kingston we can go?
Oh, the Human Rights Council, but me don't know. Shamar, it's for Human Rights Council where you can go. I the same brother where you show me the I'm going to ask her to find it for you, yeah?
Yeah, man, but I'm thinking that give me back a call. I know, man, you're not step to me.
Me must give back a call?
They show them, they say them and put me on the program. I think that book give me a call.
They don't know much, Reggie, they don't talk to me last night, man.
I hear me at the motor, I'm sending the chat them to you.
Hold on there. You and the daughter make an arrangement for you to talk to me today, right?
Yeah.
And you called me last night.
So
if you call me last night now, why you tell me say, oh, come in never call you back? What may I call you back for? I don't talk already, man. I'm going to tell you, say, the daughter going to look for the phone number for the place what I talk about. You understand?
Yes, Musa, I hear you.
So the music now, where you say you're going to send? You send it now?
Yeah, man, you send it to Shamara.
You send it to Shamara?
Yeah.
You get the music then? Eh? All right, she just tell me that she get it. All right. So me will listen to them and see if them can play.
Yeah, man, them clean, man.
No, me not say them not clean. Because sometimes I the dirty one me want.
All right. One dirty one, you can listen to it, man. Trouble come, you see.
All right.
All right.
Blessed man, yeah?
Bless the eye, Musa. Bless the eye.
All right. Yes. So what me I say now is that the things see away and more phone call. Yes. All right. Yeah.
Yeah, Musa.
Everybody phone a breeze a blow down them phone, man.
No, man, I drive on the freeway. But That's going to be real breeze. We'll pick this up another time. We just have just two quick topics.
Yeah, but hold on. You have to go stop, you know.
All right, maybe pull over. Hold on.
Yeah, because I know why I meet an accident.
Chop it. Hold on. All right.
Yes, where else now?
All right. This is my personal observation over a period of time. And me know say you're very astute, so you pay attention to this. It is my personal opinion that there is a system of global destabilization. And two of the main topics where them use, two of the main systems that they use is economic / the World Bank, the IMF, the IDB, and all the other international banks, and global ecology, terrorism. All right. when you come to say Jamaica getting a loan from the IMF or any so-called third world country, there are certain prerequisites, and you know this, in getting these loans. These loans is not to do infrastructure, build road, bridges, invest in education. These loans are to service the present loan. This is what I'm saying. And if that country moving towards self-reliance and doing for self, they will put on a stronger hold and destabilize the country. That's what Jamaica goes through all the time, from Michael Manley days until now. What is your take on that?
May I agree with you. Say them not get the
right.
loan. Wait, no. May I agree with you. Say them not get the loan for build road and them something there. But them get money for kind of pour up the other money where them have. But if them have money, we have pour up other money. What is it that them using the money to do? What am I using money for do?
To service the loan, the original loan that they borrow. It's gangster. The international banksters.
So why the private sector? Why the private sector is feeling so good? That them pass the test and them feel good now. Say, well, things is better for the private sector.
Borrowing IMF money is not for the masses. I
agree with you, but may I say that every time you see on the TV, you see a private sector man come and say, well, the thing is going good because them pass the test. So what is it that the IMF is doing for the private sector? Why is only the private sector feel good about passing the test and not the people?
Because I tell you why, Muta. I tell you why. Because in business, right, and the so-called laws of business as is practiced in the Western world, it's all about the bottom line. It doesn't matter who gets hurt or who lost job or what family get destabilized or mashed up. It's about the bottom line. That's it. But let me move on to the next point. Ecology, insofar as ecology is concerned. I know you was just on a big cruise ship the other day. About 10 years ago, when I used to live in Chicago, there's a big cruise ship on the high seas, and one of the passengers took a video camera and they run it on the CBS News in Chicago. In the middle of the night, she heard this zoosing noise, and when she looked, the crew on the cruise ship was dumping the waste into the Atlantic Ocean. Is what I'm saying? And you see millions and millions of fishes dying and all kind of stuff like that. You know, the industrial countries, the military industrial contractors, they dump the waste into the ocean. Is what I'm saying. So all these people taking these cruise and these major cruise ships, where does the waste go? Is what I'm saying. These are the two topics that I really want. I'm going to pick up this with you another time, man, because I'm going to an emergency call. But you know, I'm really concerned about that. Cutting down the trees, you know, poisoning the water, you know, everything they touch, they kill. Yeah. Like the sister that was on Kabul show the other day, she talked about the death culture, making the bottom line at the expense of the masses of the people of the world.
Yeah, I agree with you, Brethren. Yeah, blessed. Yeah, this is the stepping razor, you know, say, why you love xylophone, you know, say xylophone grandfather just passed a Tuesday. Yeah, this is less than a month when her father passed. Now she lose her grandfather. So, we want you love xylophone and xylophone mother. You know, you have to keep strong. It's really a situation where you can't deal with that amount of pain, but after a while the pain kind of get too painful. You know, if you lose a father last month and then go lose a grandfather this month, it's not a nice feeling, you understand? So why you love xylophone? Yeah, this is the stepping razor, EL.
Greetings.
Yeah, blessed.
Muta?
Yes.
Yeah, man, it's Ras Asta Black.
Yeah, how you do, Asta?
I'm blessed, man. I want to big up all the Chicago crew who returned to Jamaica to make Jamaica better.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I heard the brethren from Chicago just now.
Yeah, okay.
You know, the Pitcore Nabingi Center, we're working on the man's quarters. And we enter into agreement with Rapid True Value So anywhere in Jamaica, I want to donate some building material to the development of the Pitford Nyabinghi Man's Quarters and beyond, can do so at any rapid True Value stores throughout Jamaica.
Okay.
And the age have to be protected too, so we're looking towards all of that.
What they must do? Go to a Rapid and do what?
They can go to any Rapid True Value and go to the desk and say we would like to contribute to the building fund of the Pitford Nyabinghi Center.
Okay.
And then they can donate the money there, and we pick up the material here in Montego Bay, and it delivered to the Pitford Nyabinghi Center.
Sound good.
Yes.
Good. All right.
And if you need more information, can I leave my number?
Yeah, man. I mean, I know your number, man.
Yeah, 435-8401, and that's my WhatsApp also.
Okay.
And I'm asking ones and ones to forward this information if so that we can get, because we need the Nyabinghi Center to be developed, and we have the roof on now, but we want to finish up the man's quarters. What we're trying to do is to make it two apartments, so daughters can use one now and man use one now.
All right.
And then we work on the daughters' quarters next.
Give thanks, Bridget. Give thanks.
Rastafari.
Yeah, this is the Stepping Razor. The courts unwrapped outside broadcast scheduled for tomorrow at Mandela Park has been postponed due to the inclement weather. Stay tuned to IRFM to hear the new date when the courts unwrapped roadshow, and the IRFM crew will be in the Half Tree with tons of games, performances, and excitement. Ill.
Bless up, Mota Baraka.
How is it, sir?
Yeah?
Oh, you blue man?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you're on the rain down there, sir?
Yeah, we get liquor, you know.
Liquor, right.
Yeah, man, we get liquor. And we get it half an hour still, you know. The weather nice.
Okay, sir.
It's nice and cool, you know.
Give thanks for hear that.
You know what I say, you see, look for them politicians there. Some of them forgot prison in the Mota Baraka. Serious talk, you know. I don't know, joke thing, you know, because this thing needs to set a sample for every man, you know. To all them deal with the thing, you know, we know so them can do better, you know. And them cause a lot of pressure upon the people, then more pressure upon more tax, more this, more that, more lie, more story, and told story, and truth story. And them take them things just like a drama thing, them a drive out in a power, you know. And get to the youth, them head. So she should get to the youth, them head, you know, for them things that cause the war, you know.
Yeah.
And the style amongst the youth, them, you know.
A terrible
The youth, them can't stand up to certain things, because within the teachment or them give them again, them brains, them get weak. Them always have to have someone around them to guide them and protect them. Yeah. And the system now work that way. It work against the youth, them. So the youth them get mad and yeah. And you see all the police them now. And enough for the police them are criminal and thief, you know, and murderer, you know.
Well, I want to tell you, say, you have a policeman on YouTube there where I talk enough things about the police force, and them like them come lock him up and out because them say, well, I say no go so.
Yeah, man, but them never go say a true. Them never go say a true, you know.
Well, we don't know them now go say a true, but the man they talk out the thing, the man all call name too.
Yeah. From the top to the bottom of the police force, man, enough of them people want clean out, man.
Then you the man just say no police have enough woman, baby man.
Yeah, Amnesty International talk up yesterday on what see it, you know, on the news, you know. How much of them are terrorize the people, them when them to come and witness protection and all them things, you know. Them go to them yard and juke them down and antagonize them and terrorize them. So them not go on witness or when them kill people, you know.
Yeah. Right, rough, brethren, rough. We living in a
somewhere, somehow, man. Some high wine thing needs to put a stop into them thing. If you don't put a stop into, well, you know, say civil war broke out in Jamaica, though.
Well, it's worse than civil war, you know. Worse than civil war.
Disgrace and shame, man.
Anyway, we give thanks, brethren. Give thanks.
Bless up, man.
Yes, me I tell you. Okay, so we can't do nothing else, you know. Believe you me, I have to just thank everyone. Vita, me hungry. Young. Romain, New Kid on the Block. I tell you. Shamara. Simone and the operator. Simone, how you do? Shamara. Give thanks to the moment. Give thanks to all the people them who we talked up on the phone and really make me feel vexed. Believe you me, be vexed and feel almost sad. I'm a sad and vexed at the same time. Believe you me. So, I would just tell you, say, we want to send out condolences to Xylophone, who just have our grandfather pass away this Tuesday. And our father is gone last month too. So we are close with Xylophone music, you know. Yes, we want to yell up Xylophone and our mother and our family. This is the stepping razor, the art of war.